Hey everyone, welcome back. We'll be doing question 45 today, February 5. Yeah, you can see I'm not consistent anymore. I need to work on that, man. Seriously, help me out, please. So, yeah, the question is fairly simple. It's a string question, basically. We are given a string and we have to find the first unique character that comes up in the string. For example, in this string, the L comes first. So L is the only, not only, L is unique and that comes first in the string. Similarly for this one, we have L is a duplicate, O is a duplicate, V is unique, and that is at index 2. That's the first unique character. So this is what you have to return. And if there are no unique characters, for example in this, we have to return -1. Okay. Now it's quite straightforward actually. Let's go to the whiteboard. Now let me get the examples. Okay, so as you can see here, first what we can do is create a hash map, right? For example, for LeetCode, I'll use this. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is, so this is 3. 3, and this is 1. So as you can see, L is the first one that comes up in the hash map. So we'll basically be returning that. And the one way to fetch this data is to enumerate on the string that has been provided to us. So we have to return the index that this is at. We're not returning the actual character, right? We have to return the index. So we have to enumerate on the string itself. How do we use enumerate? Enumerate basically will give you the indexes that you're working with. For example, let me just type this real quick. There we go. So when you use enumerate, right, on a particular string, you loop on both the index and the character at that index or value at that index. So if you're using enumerate on any list, you basically convert that into a dictionary, and you can use that as a dictionary with index as the keys and value as the list value. So let's work on the code now. So I'll create a frequency hash map real quick. We all know how to create a frequency hash map, so I'll just use a counter function for this one. Now for I, which is the index, and character, which is the character at that index, in enumerate the string, what we have to do is if frequency hash map, of C, which means that if the frequency of this character is equal to 1, just return this character. Return this index. Return the index that you found this character at in the string S. Otherwise, return -1. There we go. Solved it, and if I submit it, it's quite efficient as a 82 milliseconds. Okay, so this is one weird thing about this question. I had a big of, I believe, n squared solution. I'll show you the submission. Where do we see our submissions? I think here only. I'm unable to scroll down for some reason. Okay, never mind. Basically, one of my submissions had index, which I was using index, and that is a big of n square solution. However, that gave me 69 milliseconds. Nice. But yeah, I'm kind of confused why that's faster than this, but I would say this is the most efficient solution here. I had to work on why I can't, view my own submissions right now. Or Okay then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.